Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another happy Thursday. As you guys know, I just love subscription boxes. So today I'm here with GloBox and how it's different from other boxes. I'm gonna tell you that because when you subscribe for other boxes, you don't get to choose, your items you want. They just give you whatever they have decided for that particular month. But the best thing about GloBox is you get a chance to choose what you want from 50 products. So you can choose 5 products from 50 products, and it's a really great way to experiment on new products, maybe few products which you won't buy, and you can just subscribe here and you can buy them at a cheaper price because you get 5 products in at the price of $9.99, which is a great deal because they give you products worth a lot more than that, and it's what you choosing, and I feel that's the best part because you know what's going to come, and yeah, that's the way you just try new products and you might end up loving them. So yeah, if you want to know what all I got in my box, keep watching this video. So yes, here is my GloBox and I just love it. It got this magnetic thing, so the best part is you can later on reuse this box, and I love that thing about this box. So as soon as I open the boxes, I see these few cards and I'm going to read them. The first one says GloBox. The second one says, hey cautious, thank you for shopping with us and we cherish helping you. So yeah, this is from GloBox. And then there's a gift voucher of 30% off from last stage, and if you shop for 2,500 you get 30% off. Great. And then there's refer and earn. Tell your friends about us and you get 10% off on your next box. So you all should refer my name and I should get 10% off for my next box, right? And the last one is share and love, like, share, and you can just win prizes. So yeah, I'm going to do that too. So yes, the first product here is this sunscreen. Summers are here, so I have ordered sunblock and this is called Argan Oil. And I am really excited to try this one. I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, so there's another code and it says 15% off for my next purchase. Wow, too many of them. And then this is the bottle. This is how it looks. I feel perfect size. I really like it. I like this pump thing because I really like that. And yes, this is for the price of this one is $5.29. Okay, now the next product. So the next product is this Makeup Revolution lipstick. It's in the shade What I Believe, and yes. So this one is for 700 rupees and I've already shopped more than 1,000 rupees. So yeah, it's a really great deal. I love the shade. I love pink and nudes and I really like them. And I'm just going to swatch it and show you guys. I love how creamy it is. It's like really nice. I think through these boxes sometimes you try new things and you fall in love with new things. Yeah, and I really like this because you're getting a lot of products at a very cheap rate. So yeah, I love these boxes. And then next is this Fuchsia Natural Skincare Citrus Blast Orange and Lemon Soap Free Body Wash. I love how tiny it is. It's so good, very handy when you're traveling. It's like really good, and I really like this. I anyway like the fragrance of it. So yes, and this one is for 450 rupees. And the second last thing is this LA Girl Mascara. It's in the dark brown shade. I love brown and dark brown mascaras because they give you a very natural look. I really love this. I'm really excited to try this one, and this one is for $5.95. So we are already in profit, and on top of that we have a chance to try new things, and I love this thing. And the last thing I've ordered is this NELF liquid foundation. This will be really good if I want to do my body makeup and all. So I thought I should just order a liquid foundation, and I did that. So this is how it looks, and it smells like rose water. It smells really good, and it just mix up so well and it's like the perfect shade. I really like this one and I like how tiny it is. I really like it. So this one is for 140, which is good. So that's all I got, and let me total it and tell you how much it's for. And I got, so total I shopped for 2414. Yes, I just calculated it and I got all of them in just 1000 rupees. Also they have subscription for 3 months, which is for 2847, and for 6 months it's for 5514, and for 12 months it's for 10,549 rupees. So yeah, it's a great deal. I really like it, and the best part is you're getting what you're choosing. And yeah, that's all I got. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you wish to buy this box, I'm going to give you a link in the description box below. So do check it out, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye.